make it.
Didn't make it?
Didn't make it. So close.
So we made it.
Made it.
Finally. Well, that was his problem.
What was my multi-tool?
Jesus. What multi-tool?
The small rig multi-tool. Looks like a knife.
Yeah,
thankfully it's not a knife.
It looks like a knife, but it's
like
not.
A knife.
Arizona 202
chicken.
East exit.
It's used an ice bath.
Continue on Arizona 202
18 other
east
guys
for 3
using the
miles.
other one, dude. I don't probably want to go there.
No, you know, it was funny. I had the same thought. I was like, I'm talking about 20 minutes, but I gotta take a shit. Oh, wait, no, I got my own room.
Yeah.
It's right up the street.
Yes.
Good job.
All right, we made it to the hotel. I have to go to Fernando's room and pick him up, grab some camera gear, and we're gonna head over to Mobile Solutions. Hey, there he is. Hi, honey.
Hello. See, I don't know how to use my camera.
Okay. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to put the flash in this thing. It's really like technology stuff, so I can.
Oh, you have flash off?
Too bad. If somebody know how it works,
Just stick to video, man. Just stick to
I
video.
know, probably. Right?
Yeah, here, take that one. I'll take this one.
So I have a SD card in here already.
Yeah, they're already loaded and ready to go. I've got mics and handles. We just need lenses. So hold on. That'd probably be a good move.
Yeah. No, not.
So this is good for mine. I left that out. That's in my room.
The microphones?
Yeah, they're all in my room.
I'm gonna need them.
Not for this one. We'll take them tomorrow.
Just in case, man.
All right. Well, here. This is that's a 32, so you can get like some bokeh. All right. Yeah, I was gonna say. Okay. I don't know. It seems kind of sketchy.
Apparently, I'm sleeping in the floor.
Did you bring a room key? Okay.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Yeah, she was not going to be happy. They canceled our rooms. Even
like,
though Nalico was pissed.
Well, it's just like apparently
Nobody reads emails.
they cancel. The company cancel for you, and Nalica's like, I'm the company. Who cancel? You gotta read the emails. Come on.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Thankfully, he picked us up at the airport and brought us here, so everything worked out good. We just smiled. We're innocent. I'm walking like an Egyptian. I really love the artwork here. It is spectacular. It is so rusty decor. All right, so I'm back in the laser room. They're actually doing some instructing out there. All of our reference lines for where the bend needed to happen. They're doing a class project, and it's a Jeep. I know, right? So I'm like, all right, I'll do the wiring. But they're using 2 amplifiers, and they're both Moscone, little Moscones. And I wanted to show you guys these. So this is the little Moscone Pico 810. Means it's 8 channels of power and 10 channels of DSP. This is the Moscone Pico 1, so this is gonna be the little sub amp. And these are the Focal underseat subwoofers. There's a little tiny sub right here. Basically everything we're doing inside this Jeep, I'm really anxious to hear because like they're all really cool products, and I haven't heard any of them, so that'll be fun. Look at the mad scientist at work putting his gimbal head together.
I know, man.
Whoa, wrong direction. There we go. Yeah?
Yeah.
Getting all built.
Everything's set up.
Have all the camera gear laid out here. It's the joy of having two beds. This bed is just a workbench. Just got done eating breakfast.
Yeah.
And right over there at the Daily Dose. Yeah, that. You can see it. Daily Dose. It was really good. Really good. Had my breakfast burrito.
Yeah.
I'm telling you what to do.
That clip right there?
That's cool. I like that.
Oh yeah, we can use the factory subwire. There's four sets of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, quad coil factory subwoofer.
Yeah, the Alpine has, if you looked at that Alpine sub where it's right there on the rack, it's a quad.
Get ready for a prize fight? For a prize fight? It's dark out. 10:44. All right, so it is 10:45. I don't know, it's day 2, day 3, whatever. Anyways, we promised you guys we were gonna go live.
This is the end of day 2.
Is it? Well, day 2 for us.
Yes.
I don't think they did anything on.
No, they did a lot.
So
Day
0.
1.
Day 1 they did a lot. We missed most of that. But either way, we promised you guys we were gonna go live. We're headed to my room and we're gonna go live.
Alright.
Love working on a Jeep.
What are you doing?
Put in the dash speakers. You know what's funny? I just realized this. I'm sure you've realized it.
What?
They use interior test tape on
Yes.
this side
Yep.
and exterior test tape on that side.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy.
I think that's stupid.
It's very stupid because this one's gooey as shit.
Yeah. So So I see that you have all wiring here.
Yeah, you know, usual, you know, plug life.
You drinking at work?
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, you know, gotta hit it hard this morning. We're doing the standard poke and twist on these.
Okay.
Sage doesn't want me to cut the harness off, so
I see.
poke and twist it is.
What is a poke and twist?
You spread the wire apart with some strippers, and then you poke a hole through it like a needle, make it look like a needle. And then you take your speaker wire, thread it through, wrap around, hit it with some solder, tape it up, and we're all good.
It's not like that they call like a military.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I call it the poke and twist, man.
All right.
Poke and twist.
Oh, it's been wonderful.
Cinnamon is not minty.
What? That's good. Oh yeah, you just had to record that, didn't you?
How was your breakfast, Fernando?
That's awesome.
Yeah? Yeah? You look wide awake and bushy-tailed. Last day, man. Last day.
Last day, that's right.
Ready to go rock on that Jeep?
Yeah.
Alright.
Came to work in a Jeep.
Yeah.
You guys buy sanding sponges?
We don't sand shit.
Okay. Never mind.
We ain't got this.
Oh, if you have to sand something like that, the sanding sponges are amaze balls.
Get in close, man. Get in.
Zip tie to just do like both. But sometimes you'll be like stacking 2 4-gauge on top of one another. And so if you just use a big 8-inch zip tie, sometimes it just doesn't look right. So it's like,
Dig it, man. Dig in there. You can do it.
When you can do it.
Is it good? Is it good? You like it?
Yep.
Anybody else want to get in here?
Yeah. Came out really good.
Now tell me how you really feel.